Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be packing for my birthday weekend. I'm so excited. So I'm going to be going up to Hunter Mountain, around that area in upstate New York, to celebrate my 30th birthday. I'm so excited. If you're new here, I would love for you to stay around for a while. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to put the bell on so you know whenever I post. So I just wanted to show you guys what I'll be packing. So I'm going to be packing some clothes, I'm going to be packing some food, and I'm going to be packing some of my journals and stuff. And sorry for the voiceover intro. You know, life just goes on, I guess. I got out of work so super late and I'm honestly exhausted. Don't feel like putting on makeup on, you know, just little life things. But I definitely wanted to get this video out for you guys. So if you were curious on what I usually pack when I go away, some things obviously are gonna be like, obviously I don't pack food when I go on vacation and stuff, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna be bringing. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right now, I'm just going to be going through all my clothes, seeing what I'm going to be bringing. So I'm going to be going away for 4 days and 3 nights. So I'm going to be, there's some things I actually didn't get to show you. So once we get to that point, I will show you. But yeah, I'm going to be packing some clothes right now. That's what I'm going through. I'm going through some clothes. And yeah, that's it. So what I'm packing is 2 purses. So I have my fanny pack here, and then I have like a nicer bag that I'm gonna be wearing for my birthday. I have some sweaters. I have an extra pair of leggings just to put underneath my jeans, just for some extra warmth. And then I have my birthday outfit that I'm not gonna be packing, that I'm gonna be wearing. I have a black pair of jeans, and then I have just a regular pair of jeans, and that's all I'm bringing. And then I didn't get to show you this, but I have some pajamas that I'm bringing. Literally only gonna bring like 3 pieces, and then I have some slipper socks that I got for Christmas that I'm gonna be bringing, so I don't have to pack some slippers and I'll be nice and cozy. And I'm also bringing some snow pants since we're gonna be going skiing, and I'm also bringing my 2 pair of shoes. I have my Doc Martens that I literally wear every single day, and then I have my snow boots that I didn't get to wear. I'm so excited to break them in. So how I'm packing, everyone probably packs like this, but I'm just putting my shoes on the bottom of my suitcase. And then how I fold is I try to fold as small as I can, just so I can fit more stuff in my suitcase. So yeah, I'm just gonna be packing my shoes at the bottom, like I said, and then my jeans, and then my sweaters on top. Of course, we got to bring the Clorox wipes just in case to stay safe. And I have a bunch of masks that I'm bringing too that I didn't show in this video, because when I'm packing this, I'm just packing to show you guys. So I am going to be keeping some stuff in here, but I didn't get to pack everything because there's still some things that I use every day. So the things that I didn't pack, I will definitely mention when we get to them. Just stuff like a toothbrush. I don't use body wash. I actually use bar soap. So I'm going to be packing my bar soap. I have some of my hair products I'm going to be packing. Just some things that I didn't get to show you that, you know, of course I'm going to be packing. And fun fact, I found this twister at the thrift store because, you know, we're going to be in a cabin and there's not that much internet, and which is totally fine with me because I plan on, you know, being more one with nature and really enjoying my surroundings. So I wanted to get some board games, and I found this twister and I'm like so excited. I think it'll be so much fun. And you see that I'm packing some hand warmers, and then I have my ski mask. This was actually given to me, and then I have some gloves, and yeah, that fur thing, I think I mentioned it before. If I didn't, it is faux fur, of course. And I have some socks that I'm packing as well. Okay, so let's move on to the food that I'm packing. So if you haven't seen my Project Comeback video, I definitely show you all of these products that I put in my smoothies, but I'm definitely gonna be packing all my smoothie stuff. There is a blender there, so I'm glad I don't have to pack that. I'm gonna be packing some oatmeal. You guys know I love my oatmeal, pack that every single day. I got some chia seeds in there. And then I have some cookies that I found at Whole Foods that are so good. I had one and I had to make sure to pack them away so I didn't keep eating them. And then I'm gonna be packing my tea kettle just because they don't, you know, I like to use that for my oatmeal. I like to have a lot of tea. I'm gonna be packing some bananas. I'm gonna pack my probiotics. I just put the box there. I'm not gonna be packing all of it. I just put the box there so it'll be easier so you guys can see. I'm definitely gonna be packing some juice because I made extra juice. And then for all of my supplements, I'm gonna be packing that in my little Sunday through Saturday pill case. Gonna be packing some almond butter. And yeah, that's all for food. So when it comes to my makeup, I'm pretty simple when it comes to my makeup routine now. I know it looks like I'm packing a lot, but honestly, to me, it's not. So I usually pack the same palette. This is the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. It literally has every single color that I need. Like that's like a neutral palette. So if I want to do a smoky eye, I can. Or if I wanted something simple, I can do that too. Then I have just some of my standard blush, bronzer, mascara, you know, all that good stuff that I usually wear. Eyeshadow primer, foundation. I'm actually bringing 2 foundations. I know it's crazy, but sometimes I have to mix the colors just because one is my summer color, one is my winter color, and just in case I don't want to be too light or too dark, so just in case I'm gonna bring 2. I know I said I wasn't gonna bring just in case things, but that's an exception. And then for the brushes, I show you a cute trick. I just take a hair tie and just tie them all together since I have the standing bag, and I just put it right in there so they don't move around and they're nice and compact. And then I'm taking I'm also going to take a pair of lashes for my birthday. I think I might just be wearing these, so I might take them out because we're not really going to be going anywhere anyway, so I just want to wear them for my birthday. And then I have my banana powder that I'm packing, and that's about it. Like, I know it looks like a lot, like I said, but honestly it's just everything that I need. So these areas are not going to be minimalist at all, makeup and skincare, because I have a lot of them. I make sure that I take really good care of my skin, even when I go away. So I'm actually bringing things that, because my skincare routine, I do have videos up on my channel. I'll definitely link them for you guys, but it did change a little bit. So I'm just bringing things that I know I'm going to use. I don't want to bring things that are just going to take up space. So like I use a different toner for day and night. So I'm just going to bring one toner so I don't have to worry about it. And then I have like my oils. I have one little, like that little blue bottle is a makeup remover for my eyes. And then I have deodorant. I use natural deodorant, and I have this extra one just in case I run out of the other one that I love. I actually didn't get a chance to get another one, so just in case, again, I want to bring another deodorant because I don't want to run out. And yeah, I actually, this white bag, I actually switched it for a longer clear bag because it was just a little too bulky for my suitcase. So that's the only difference there. And the last thing I want to show you guys that I'm packing is my wellness stuff. So I'm definitely going to be bringing my planner just to make sure that I stay on track with everything. I know it's kind of weird to bring a planner, but I just can't part with it. I love to bring my planner just to plan things. Definitely going to bring my journal because I'm trying to have some self-discovery moments up in nature in the mountains. And then this pink book that I have, it's for my tarot readings. I like to write down every card that I pull. I try to pull a card a day so I can learn more about them. But the planner, the journal that I have is, it's called a happy planner. And it's really cool because you can actually take out pages and put them back in. So I'm actually just showing you that I'm going to transfer the tarot book that I use, the pink one, into the other leopard print. I know they're both leopard print. Into the other neutral leopard print. So I only have to bring one. And I like that a lot better because honestly, the happy planner, it'll change your life. Definitely look into it because you can make different sections, like a little binder. It's awesome. And I also forgot to show you, Some other things that I'm gonna be packing, like I have bath bombs that I'm gonna be packing. I actually just got that today, so I didn't have a chance to show you. And then I'm gonna be packing some of my crystals, of course. I'm gonna be packing, of course, my big clear quartz and then a rose quartz. And of course, I'm gonna be bringing my tarot cards. So I'm gonna be bringing the Psychic deck, which is an Oracle deck. And then I have this new deck that I love so much. Let me actually get the name for you because it's up here. So it's called Santa Muerte. Hopefully I said that right, Tarot. And it's the Day of the Dead. You guys know I love skulls, and this deck is, oh my god, it has my heart. I love it so much. So I'm just gonna be bringing those two, and that is it. So I hope you guys find this helpful. I don't know, I just feel like I wanted to show you guys what I was gonna be bringing, and then the next video that I'm gonna be posting is gonna be my birthday weekend vlog. So I'm really excited. I celebrated, oh my god, it's gonna be 3 birthdays on YouTube right now. So that's crazy. And it's just crazy because you're gonna be able to see the different transitions, like from year to year.
I thought you were standing on a chair. God damn, happy birthday.
So if you want to go back, I'll definitely list those down below as well, so you guys can check that out. But yeah, I'm really excited to enter a whole new chapter into my life. And I'm just excited. Like, I pulled a card the other day and it was talking about new beginnings. So yeah, anyway, before I keep rambling, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you at all. If you do like videos like this, as I always say, just give me a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel, and I would really appreciate all the support that you guys give me. And definitely subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I keep looking at my numbers, and some of you guys aren't subscribed, so I just would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel. I work really hard on these videos, and I hope you guys like them. I'm doing it for you. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day, night, whatever, whenever you're watching this. And I'm excited to celebrate my birthday. I think I'm actually posting this on my birthday, so yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can stay more up to date on what I'm doing. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!